keep away.
Students, today we are going to learn about new phrasal verb, keep away. Keep away means to avoid someone or something. For example, if I say, you have to keep away from particular place, it means you have to avoid going near to that particular place. Or if I say you have to keep away from junk food, it means you have to avoid or stop eating junk food. Let's see use of keep away in daily life example.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, tell me. What problems you have?
I am suffering from stomachache and motions since last night.
What did you have yesterday?
I had some snacks on the roadside stalls. It could be because of it.
It is possible that you had contaminated food. Because of diarrhea, you have lost plenty of body fluids. You require to be hydrated. Drink enough water regularly, at least 8 to 10 glasses. Keep away from caffeine, dairy products, and solid foods at least till evening. And get plenty of rest.
Any medicines?
Yes, I am prescribing a few to control it.
Thank you, doctor.
Students, if you found this video useful, please like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.